让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everyone. It's time for Conversational Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 S 鹏。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修。That's Joseph Lin for you, and Alice teaching you the phrase "Hurry up," 快一点 this month.
急到位，
急到位 ，All right， 要快一点，快一点，要做事情要快一点，快一点到啦，快点做完啦，才可以做这些事情啊，
才可以去逛街啊，才可以下班啊。
Alice 马上知道我很爱逛街，
看你就知道很爱买呀。
Yes. All right, a lot of times we use hurry up when we're trying to finish a job, right? And let's put you in that situation when you're at work and let's say your colleague wants to go shopping with you after work and he or she is asking you to hurry up and get your work done. All right, let's hear this conversation.
唔使做體力嘛，
很忙啊，
急地位做啊，下班後叫下來去逛街。
逛街 That means to go shopping, to go window shopping even, okay? 好 let's break this down, all right? 第一句一定是跟工作有没有做完有關，對不對？是不是問說你工作做完了嗎？
唔使做體力嘛，
唔使做體力嘛 OK, 使難道是工作嗎？哦 say just one word means work. Okay, have you finished work? 唔使做體力嘛？還沒耶。
很忙啊，
很忙啊 that means 還沒啊 all right?
是好忙哦。
對，聽得像好忙
很
忙哦。So, of course, the person will say 快一點做啊，下班要一起去逛街。
急地位做啊，
急地位做啊，
下班後，
下班後，
叫下來去逛街，
叫下來去逛街。叫下來去就是一起來去 That means together, let's do this together. And then 下班叫做
下班。
下班 again is getting off work. So let's go shopping together. Hurry up and get your work done, all right? 对，没错。All right, let's review some of these practical terms that you can use maybe even tonight. 今天下班就可以开始用这些词了哈。
OK
包括工作 that is work.
Say
OK 其实就是的意思，这么发现对不对 Say that means work. And then 还没 not yet.
很忙啊，
很忙啊 Okay, that means not yet. And then finally, how about 逛街 to shopping?
逛街，
逛街 Okay, that is to do some shopping. And finally, this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 快一点 That means hurry up.
急地位，
急地位 Okay, hurry up. 急就是快如果一直逼人家的話 All right, let's listen to this conversation again.
唔使做體力嘛，
很忙啊，
急地位做啊，下班後叫下來去逛街。
And hope you get your work done effectively and soon. That's for today's Conversational Hakka.
是母太嘎。
俺只say 张來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.